Okay, folks, welcome back. I have another review for you. So I've did a little Amazon shopping, and the nice thing about having Prime is you can get it the next day. So a lot of these lenses that I bought, which were kind of not pricey, but anyhow, they were missing a lens hood. So I went on Amazon, bought them. I bought every lens hood that I have on the lenses except for the kit lens, which I've ordered today, and hopefully I'll get it tomorrow. But this is the 18 to 150. And as you can see, I even have one for the 35 millimeter, which I got a nice little gift with. It's kind of like a bottle opener and stuff. And I think it's also a clip. I don't know. But anyway, it looks kind of cheap, but I'll give it a try, see what happens. Anyway, here's the different types of lens cap. And what I like about all these lens hoods, and they're from JJC, they're for the Canon RF. You just click the button because they're locked in, and then you just put them on. Look how easy that was to do. And then, of course, you hit the button right here. Just turn it counterclockwise. Flip it over. Well, if I can get it on right. There we go. And there you go. JJC hood. So there's two types. There's the straight, which I like, but they also have the tulip. And as you can see, for the 16 millimeter, and I have one like these on the 35 millimeter. So anyway, you try to, there we go. You put it on, and there you go, folks. 16 millimeter. RF 16. And the locking mechanism right here. Just like that. And I'll put it right down there. Now, with this 35, let me go to here. They come with a rubber seal and another gasket locking mechanism. It took me half an hour to figure out how to do it because they have no instructions. So I looked at the back of the box, and there you go. That's all the instructions I got. So I figured it out. It's locked, it's working great. I can do a reversible, and it has a locking pin on there also. But I recommend that JJC is excellent. You did a great job. Let's see, I don't know where I had this. I had it right there. Yeah, I like that, and then like this. Okay. Or something like that. But anyway, I recommend it. It was like, well, with shipping and stuff is like one shipping. Well, no, the shipping was free. So I spent something like $11 to $15 on, depending on how big the lens hood was. So the next one is the power adapter. This is the H1C ACK E6 AC power adapter USB kit. And it's new. The R7 works on here. I'm trying to alleviate just using the battery, because what the thing is, the battery can last for maybe an hour, hour and a half if you're shooting at 4K, and I need more time. Now I found out how to have it on 4K 30, no crop, no 60, because the battery depletes quicker and it overheats. So I just have it on 4K, not the fine. And then the, it's working good. It does lose some battery power, but not as fast as if I leave it on this. So, I've tried the adapter in the car. It's a USB-C to the cigarette lighter, or the power USB port, what they're called now. and it does not work. But I did hook it up to a 30-watt Apple power brick for a laptop, like for my what is it? The MacBook Air M1, and it worked. But if I'm inside the house, I'll pick it up, or I'll use the cable to the power brick. I think the battery lasts longer that way than it would with the USB-C. So anyhow, that's what's going on. I'm at my table right now. You can see Wanda in the background. I don't know if, yeah, you can't see the mouse, but there she is, peeking in between, listening to me recording once again. So hope this video was helpful. It saved me a whole bunch of money buying just the regular lens hoods. And shout out to JJC, and also the H1C. I think that's who they are. Well, anyway, HY1C. So I think that's the company. I'm not sure. I bought a couple of products from them, like one for the A6100 and one for the ZV-E10, and some for the Nikon. All through Amazon. Got here quickly. Some took a little bit longer with the Nikon, but with the Canon, I had it the next day. So when you do a search, go like battery dummy for whatever camera you have, and then use the Amazon Prime and you get it quick. So if you like this video, please give me a like. Please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell for any more videos that are upcoming. And if you have any questions, just write in the comments below, and I'll answer them as best as I can. So as always, stay safe, keep smiling, and until next time, goodbye.